Hello children, good to see you back again. Are you ready to learn about measuring and comparing objects? Okay, before we start, I have a question for you. Have you ever noticed things with different sizes around you? Yes, of course. I'm sure you always see different things, sizes things. Do you know what size means? Size means how big and small things are. How do we find these different sizes? We measure objects. So today we are going to learn measurement. Okay. What does measurement mean? Measurement means the action of actually finding how big or small things are. Different sizes, find the different sizes. How big or small, tall or short or shortest or large things are. Okay. Before we start, friends, I'm gonna show you different stuff I brought today. This is the stuff just sitting around my house. This is the couple gift wraps, paper towel tube, water bottles. I bought a couple books for my ring. See some boxes sitting here, and okay, and I have paper for writing. I have markers for writing. Okay, friends. Before we start, do you have any questions? No. Okay. Let's go further. I have another question for you. Do you know how do we find out that things sitting around us are of different sizes? Hmm. Yes, there are different ways to find that. The one way is to just predict. But if I look at just things, I will say that this is bigger than this one. Okay? Or if I look at this bottle, I will say this bottle is bigger than this one. Predict means just looking at the thing, just not to measure or write the right number. We can just make a guess, and we can make a rough guess like this one is bigger and this one is smaller. Okay, there are other ways to measure things. There are special tools for measuring things. There are standard measuring tools. There's measuring tape. You see that? So this is a standard measuring tool. There is another tape. This was very popular back in my country. So that we use while sewing our clothes, and we can measure anything with these. And this is called ruler. You said, see, on all these, did you notice that on all of these measuring tools you see numbers on them, right? Okay, so you see these numbers on this side of the ruler. You see these numbers, these are inches. On this side, these are centimeters. Okay, we're gonna keep an eye on our numbers. Okay, and there are non-standard measuring tools. Non-standard measuring tools we are going to use today our hands. Okay, one hand, 1.5 hand. If I want to measure paper towel tube, this is 1.5 hands. Okay, but there are other measuring tools. We can use our hands, fingers, any way you want, like this. I can go like this to one hand, two. Okay, some people use like this. Okay, it's up to you. And there, if I want to use, so this can be the non-measuring tool too. How? If I want to measure paper towel, look, one marker, 1.5 markers. So this paper towel is 1.5 marker. So this is non-measuring tool for this too. Okay, but we will use our hands today. Okay, friends. Before we start, do you have any other question for me? Okay, let's start it. So we are going to start with our non-measuring tool. Okay, I'm gonna start measuring the gift wrap. One hand, help me. Okay, counting, help me counting. One hand, two hands, 2.5 hands. And never forget to write your number when you measure gift wrap. So that was 2.5 hands, right? So you see that? My number? 2.5 hands. Now I'm gonna measure my longer gift wrap. 1, 2, count with me. 3, 4, 5. So this one is 5 hands. Okay, friends. So these are our numbers. One gift wrap is 5 hands. The other gift wrap is 2.5 hands. Which one is bigger? We are comparing now. This one, right? The 5 inches one is the longer one. This one is the bigger one. Then the 2.5 inches one, right? This is the smaller one. Okay. Okay. Let's measure our bottles. One hand, 1.5 hand. Okay. I'm gonna write water bottle. Never forget to write your number. Water bottle. So this is my daughter's water bottle. This is 1.5 hand. Now I'm gonna measure my own bottle. See? So this is my own bottle. One hand. This is kind of 1.25, 1.25. Okay? 1.25 hand. So if I compare these numbers, friends, you see numbers? So if I compare both numbers, so 1.5 is bigger than 1.25. So my bottle is bigger. Sorry, my daughter's bottle is bigger than my bottle. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how we use this ruler for finding things if they are bigger or smaller. Okay, let's start with this book. So friends, remember this ruler shows like 12 inches total. Okay, so this is, look, this is right here. This is 11 inches. Okay, I wrote 11 inches. So one book came out 11 inches. Let's make the second book. Okay, second book is, here you go. Let's do this. Right here. Right here. There you go. So this is, the smaller one is 7 inches, friend. You see numbers? So another one is 7 inches. So friends, our one book, this book is 11 inches. This one is 7 inches. Which one is bigger? Because this one. Because how we find out? 11 is bigger than 7. So we measure two books. And we found out there, one is 11, one is 7. Okay, let me show you how you can use the measuring tape. I open a measuring tape. Let's measure. What should we measure? Should we measure a paper towel tube? Okay, let's check it out. Okay, friends, if you need help when you measure yourself, ask parents for help. Okay, when home, any adults can help. So this one paper towel tube is 11 inches. You see numbers? There. So paper towel is 11 inches, right? Now, let's check it out. The gift wrap. I'm going to be careful with this measuring tape. So this one is, look at that. This is, you see numbers right here? This is 17 inches. See numbers? So gift wrap is, I'm going to write the numbers back again. Gift wrap, 17 inches. Okay, friends. Gift wrap is 17 inches. Paper towel tube is 11 inches. Which one is bigger? We are comparing now. So it means, because 17 is bigger than 11, so gift wrap is bigger than paper towel tube. So these are our numbers. See that back again? Yeah, that's how. Don't forget to write your numbers. So this is the same way, friends. We can go around our house. We can find anything to measure. Always ask parents for help if you need it. You can measure your toys. You can measure your buildings. You can build with blocks and you can measure it. Or you can measure any tables or couches or windows, whatever you like. Friends, do not forget to write your numbers, because when you are comparing, then you need to remember your numbers, just like this. And parents, you can ask your kids to help them measuring spaces. If you want to organize your furniture, you can engage your kids for measuring spaces. They can hold, they can look at the number, they can count it, they can help you compare if the space is appropriate, the space is like suitable for putting some furniture. Okay, thank you so much for coming in. Do lots of practice and learn your numbers and measurement. Thank you for coming in.